I hope you guys can see this. Another piece of the puzzle done. I've got tweeters mounted into the dash, and see if I can zoom in. That one there. So yeah, it sounds great. I'm really happy with the way the stereos came out. There's some splits down there, some splits down there, and the radio. So yeah, I think I just want to share my last piece of the puzzle tweeter install, and yeah, they come up really good. Dash wasn't hard to pull apart, and now I've got a balanced music inside the car. Hope this helps anyone that's thinking of where to put their tweeters.